Ever worried you might lose the big tax breaks from your S-Corp status? Don't worry, we've got the perfect guide to keep your S-Corp in line. Hello, everyone. Today, we're talking into how you can maintain your S-Corp status and avoid common pitfalls that could cost you money and protection. We'll cover everything from paperwork to payroll, so you can stay compliant and stress-free. Make sure to watch until the end for all the essential tips, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful business insights. Let's get started. Number 1, maintaining corporate documentation. First up, let's talk about keeping all your corporate documents in order. This includes your articles of incorporation, meeting minutes, bylaws, and even your corporate seal. Why is this so important? Well, having everything organized not only helps you stay compliant with legal requirements, but it also saves you a ton of stress if you ever need to retrieve these documents quickly. Now, a common mistake many business owners make is thinking they have S-Corp status just because they formed a company. However, to officially be an S-Corp, you need to file Form 2553 with the IRS. It's an important step that some might overlook. And just having your business set up doesn't automatically give you S-Corp benefits. So remember, forming your business is just the start. Maintaining it means keeping your documentation complete and up to date. This doesn't just protect you legally, but also ensures you keep enjoying those S-Corp advantages like tax benefits and asset protection. It's like keeping your car serviced to avoid breakdowns. Regular maintenance keeps everything running smoothly. Number 2, filing annual meetings and minutes. Next, let's discuss the critical role of annual meetings and keeping accurate meeting minutes. As an S-Corp, it's essential to hold yearly meetings for your shareholders and directors. These aren't just formalities, they are legal requirements that help keep your business transparent and in good standing. Why are these meetings so important? Well, they ensure that everyone involved in your company is on the same page regarding business operations, financial decisions, and strategic planning. It's like a regular health checkup for your business to make sure everything is working as it should. Now, about those meeting minutes, think of them as your business diary. During each meeting, you need to keep clear and detailed records of what was discussed, decisions made, and actions agreed upon. This isn't just good practice, it's a safeguard. These minutes are legal documents that might need to be presented as evidence of compliance with corporate formalities in case of audits or legal disputes. Failing to comply with these requirements can lead to serious problems. For example, if you don't have proof of following the proper corporate formalities, you could lose your S-Corp status. This means missing out on tax benefits and even losing some protection against liabilities. Essentially, if the IRS or legal authorities find that you're not keeping up with these formalities, your personal assets might also be at risk if your business faces lawsuits or debts. Keeping up with annual meetings and maintaining detailed minutes is like keeping a detailed logbook of your business journey. It proves that you're running your S-Corp by the book, keeping it safe from legal and financial storms. Number 3, annual State Secretary of State filings. Moving on, let's talk about the annual filings you need to submit to the state to maintain your S-Corp status. Every year, your state requires you to file certain documents to keep your business recognized as an active S-Corporation. This isn't just paperwork, it's an important step to ensure your business continues to operate under the benefits and protections of an S-Corp. Why is this annual filing so important? Well, if you forget or fail to pay the filing fee, there are some serious consequences. Your business might lose its S-Corp status and revert to a default structure like an LLC or a sole proprietorship. This change can affect how you're taxed and what liabilities you might face personally. And it doesn't stop there. If your state lists your S-Corp as not in good standing because of missed filings, the IRS might take notice too. This could lead to further complications with your federal tax filings. The IRS might audit your business or even disallow certain tax benefits that you've been claiming as an S-Corp. Essentially, staying current with your state filings keeps the foundation of your business strong, preventing potential legal and financial headaches. Number 4, always use your entity name. Let's now focus on the importance of always using your S-Corp's official name. Whether it's on your website, in your emails, on your business cards, or even when you sign up for online services and attend seminars, consistently using your business name is a must. Why does this matter so much? First off, it builds professional integrity. When you use your company's official name everywhere, it shows that you're serious about your business. It tells your customers, partners, and even competitors that you operate a legitimate and structured company. It's about creating a professional image that people respect and trust. More importantly, using your entity name consistently is key to protecting your personal assets. Here's how it works. By conducting business under your corporation's name, you reinforce the legal boundary between your personal finances and your company's liabilities. This separation is critical because it helps ensure that if your company is ever sued or faces legal issues, your personal assets like your home and savings are safer from being used to cover business debts. Think of your S-Corp's name as a shield. Using it consistently in all business activities strengthens that shield, keeping your personal and business worlds separate and secure. So make it a habit to use your S-Corp's name at every possible opportunity. It's a simple practice that enhances your credibility and fortifies your business's legal defenses. Number 5. Maintain quarterly payroll and compliance. Another important aspect of maintaining your S-Corp status is handling your payroll correctly, especially when it comes to paying yourself. The IRS requires that you pay yourself a reasonable salary if you're an S-Corp owner. What does reasonable mean? It means your salary should match what others in similar positions in your industry earn. This isn't just about fairness. It's about following the rules. Now, when you pay yourself a salary, you're not just sending money to your bank account. You also need to handle FICA taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare. Every time you run payroll, a part of your salary goes toward these taxes. But that's not all. You also need to report your payroll to the IRS regularly. This can be quarterly or annually, depending on your business. Staying on top of these payroll tasks is vital. Why? Because it helps you stay compliant with IRS rules. If you don't pay yourself properly, or if you skip on reporting, you might face penalties. And these aren't just small fines. They can be serious enough to jeopardize your business's financial health. Number 6. Complete federal and state tax filings. Lastly, let's talk about the all-important tax filings for your S-Corp. Every year, you need to file your federal taxes using Form 1120S. This is the tax form specifically for S-corporations. It's important to get this done by March 15th. However, if you need more time, you can apply for an extension, which gives you until September 15th to file. Now, filing your taxes isn't just about filling out forms and sending them off. You need to be aware that each state might have its own rules and costs when it comes to tax filings. Some states might charge more, and others might have additional forms that you need to complete. This means that depending on where your S-Corp is located, your tax filing process could look a bit different. Understanding these variations is key to ensuring you're not caught off guard. Imagine each state has its own set of rules for a game. To play the game right and avoid penalties, you need to know and follow these rules carefully. By staying on top of your federal and state tax filings, you make sure your business stays compliant and avoids unnecessary fines. It's like keeping a calendar of important dates. Knowing what's due and when helps you manage your responsibilities without any last-minute surprises. And that wraps up our guide on how to maintain your S-Corp status effectively. Remember, keeping your corporation in compliance isn't just about following rules. It's about protecting your business and its benefits. Make sure to keep all documents organized, stay on top of your meetings and filings, and manage your payroll and taxes carefully.